Here's Alex from Adrealm.
And my name is Brendon from Quarry. Thanks very much for joining us in the Adrealm dashboard. Here you'll have access to ongoing airdrops and bounties. If you haven't already, please create an account here. We are also now accepting applications into our inner circle. We have one-on-one communication potential with me and Alex here, as well as access to surprise airdrops and better bounties. I think the application will require you to know a little bit more about us and what we're doing, and you can read more about that here. And Alex, could you please tell us more?
Of course, talking about learning more about Adrealm, what about joining our Telegram group? And our Telegram group is right here. And about our weekly giveaway is about to begin. Please remember to follow us on Twitter and come back here so you don't miss everything. And if you need any help, just click on the support tab and you will find us here. We are always here to help you. So Brendon?
Thank you, Alex. And you can find out more about Quarry on Google and iOS stores, app stores. We have information there about Adrealm. You can find out everything that's going on. Please check it out here. And with that, thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.